I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell from the title of this video, I wanted to just do this eye look that I'm wearing now. This is featuring the Equalizer 2 palette. I hauled this in my last haul and I actually really like the way these shades look. I know I've shown y'all this like a million times, but these are beautiful summer shades. Amazingly, like the foil shadows that they look like toppers, but they are beautiful alone, as you can see on my lid. But I wanted to come here and do an eye look with you all, specifically with this palette. If you all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, beauty, so let's go ahead and get started. I already did my face, okay? I talked to y'all about this. We are going to be doing some videos where, you know, everything's going to be done. Mostly, you know what I'm saying? Today I want to play in the Sample Beauty Equalizer Volume 2 palette. I actually got a request for this palette, which I love requests, y'all, because I don't get them often. So when I get a request, I'm like, sure, I'll do that now. Oh, girl, this is giving really good rose gold, orangey, summertime. Like, oh my God, such beautiful vibes. Like, gorgeous. Like, I don't even know where to start with this palette. I want to use that rose gold color, the shade Angel, and I kind of want to put that all over my lid and just go from there, because it's a shimmer shade. I have, you know, nothing to do, but y'all know how we do over here, baby. We just do it. Okay, so let me start out with a matte shade though. I'm gonna take, let's take the shade Warm, which is right here. I hauled this in my last haul, so hopefully y'all saw that and y'all have watched it and are feeling it. Ooh, she's pigmented. I always like to give myself a little bit of definition. Even if I would have started in with that lid shade first, I would probably go back in with a little bit of some, you know, warmer or deeper tone shade, just to give myself some definition. And I had already primed my lids with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey. I put that all over. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm going to put the shade Angel. Angel is here. That's one of the shades that I had swatched. I want to just put Angel all over my lid, but Angel looks really iridescent-y, if that's even a word. See? I'm going to put some of that down, and then we're going to go in with the shade O'Clock, which is more of like an orangey shade. This one is more rose gold. I'm going to go in with the shade Whispering, which is this matte peach shade. She's pigmented. That's really pretty. It's so pigmented. Yeah, those are toppers. So that shade could actually go on top of this shade. I could have put Angel on top of this one and it would have worked just fine. There's no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing this eye look. I literally just sat down and pulled the palette out. So let's take that shade O'Clock and we're just going to put it in the inner corner. Give us a little something. Then I'm going to take that blending brush and just blend out those edges. Take a little bit more of the shade Warm. Then I'm going to take the shade On, which is this purple right here, that matte purple. I want to put a little bit of that on there too, in the crease. So I'm just going back and forth because I want it to be a little bit on both sides. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Whispering, which is that apricot-y pink shade. And we're just going to make sure that color is still there. I'm going to go in with the lashes, Slate Lashes in the style Sugar. I've been wearing these. This is my old packaging, but you can find these on beautybydbeasley.com. I'm going to be ordering more inventory soon, but right now everything is still in stock. which is always amazing. You want to sell out, but you still want to have inventory when someone needs it, something. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be ordering new inventory soon and maybe adding some new styles. I'm not really sure if I'm going to add new styles. I may bring back Sweetie, which is classic slate lashes. So be on the lookout for those, y'all. This eye look is giving me very peachy vibes, sis. Very take me to the beach, which I ain't been to nobody's beach. To finish off this look, I'm gonna take this berry lip balm by Juvia's Place. I want to see. That's what that looks like. It's literally just a lip balm. Okay, beauty. So here is the final look. What I did was I put that lip balm on from Juvia's Place, the berry one. And then I put a little bit of the Trendsetter lip liner from Morphe. I put a little bit of that on the lip line. Just something to be, you know, really light. Nothing heavy. This is very cute. Giving very, you know, iridescent glow. I'm not really sure. I just want to come on here and play in this palette with you all. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you have this palette, let me know. If you plan on getting it, let me know. Like, these are topper shades. Like, test foiled eyeshadows, but I feel like these are more like topper shades, but they are foiled and they do what needs to be done. Like this, yeah, that's that shade. The shade that I have on my lids is the shade Angel. That's the shade that I swatched last week, but I really like this. It looks cuter in person. I'm not really sure if you picking up what I see, but I do hope you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. And until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye, beauties.